This is one vertical cutting at the bottom of a valley, and I was happy to see some nice ferns. One of them looks to be that Blacknum species, but I'm not sure if it's which one of those Blacknums. This one. Not been much weeded or anything, at least on this vertical surface. And the younger ones have some interesting feature. That is, this is how the small ones look, and they have that curling. The new fronds are curling up. Well, let me show that this coloration is nice. Then lot of the babies of this fern are there, plenty of them. And then this also is one of my favorite plant. I think it's called I forgot the name. Anyway, then the other this is that climbing fern. I've covered this already in earlier video. It's going up very nicely. So this one likes this vertical surfaces and all, and then needs lot of shade, I think. Those tips are very nice, and it's wherever it touches the ground or earth, it roots. This one I couldn't succeed in growing it, but very pretty fern. That is there. Then this one. All these individually I have covered these ones. And then this Blacknum, I think when the sun is there a bit more, it gets this reddish hue, I think. Now one of that fiddle head of this Blacknum we can see. I think I saw one somewhere around here. That is a new front emerging. That's how it looks. It's a very nice patch of ferns. I think some 4 to 5 species must be there. Here is nice front. This looks nice. So this is one of the hallmark of that Blacknum. Then this Lindsia, I think this is called Lindsia. This one is there. I think, and underneath all this, there must be some other few more species.